Why?
I need to
Swallow them.
swallow one.
Do I need two of them?
And drink some water.
Did I need two of them? Or one?
One.
Because I need two.
Oh, I've only got 4 minutes left of footage. Aisha, push.
You just pause it for a bit.
I mean, not space, battery. Yeah. Go on. It's cool, bro. Just go. Come on, bro. Open the legs, bro. Just push. Yeah, this blocks it.
Yeah. Oh.
One penny on with it.
I'm fine.
Soon I guess another one's coming.
I'm zoomed in on that shit. I've only got 2 minutes left of footage though.
It's coming, Griffin, it's coming. Good girl, Aisha, good girl.
Oh my god.
This is YouTube money, bro. This is YouTube money. Oh my.
The third one.
There's gonna be another one, or another two, I think.
Of my last minute of
Battery.
I literally got that whole thing, bro.
Create, motherfucker.
That was like in a bubble, bro. That's mad. To be honest, even if after it goes to 0 minutes, it's still gonna have like a little bit, you know what I mean? Well, that's that one. That's cool.
Bro, it's